Hello all, welcome to Code 9 Destination Day 54 here. We're having the topic called calendar today. So this calendar is one of the very easiest topic you can able to take it up here because this calendar will comes under the topic called arithmetic reasoning only, but most of the time they will ask you in the max oriented questions only. But you need to understand one logic here. If you understand the one logic, that's a term, you can able to easily map the question in a very easy way, in a easy manner here in this one. Okay, I'll go with the pattern of the questions here. So first of all, in the calendar, what kind of the method we have to use? Okay, so one, you see this one, this particular question we can able to solve through. One is that is common conventional method, and another one we can able to solve by odd days. Okay, so odd days is one of the very important parameter you must have to learn here in the calendar based questions. So going to this one, guys, so the odd days means what? So we having the number of, so we totally in a week we having some 7 days in a week, right? That is the calculator here. Okay, so if you see this one, so the quotient is equal to number of weeks, and the remainder, so whatever the value you're getting, that is a reminder. So for example, if I am taking that 50 days I having in this one, 50 days divided by 7. If I divide this one, I'll get the remainder called 1. That 1 we can able to call it as what? That is odd days we can able to mention here in the place. Got it, guys? Okay. So these odd days we can able to derive by how? Okay. So then we are taking that particular year, we are particular days we can able to calculate it up. But what about the year comes to the point? Okay. So coming to the point, if you're taking the year, anything is divided by the 4, we can able to call it as a leap year. The leap year will comes 4 years once, we can able to call it here. And century by 400 we can able to take it up. Okay, so century by 400, if you take it up this one, guys, so that will also you can able to call it as the leap year in the place. Okay, so okay sir, we understand the leap year, but what about the odd days? You didn't explain it, right? Yeah, we can able to explain now. Okay, so coming to the normal year and leap year, we will explain you how it will be manipulated here. So normal year means you will have 365 days. Okay, and 365 days, if you are making very clearly 52 weeks and 1 odd days is there. How the 52 weeks? This 365 days, if you take it up, that 52 times of 7, if you calculate up, it will give you that 364. Okay, so 364 plus 1 odd days you will have here in the place. That is the thing I'm saying here in the one. Okay, so 1 odd days you will say here in the place. And same like leap year, you can able to draw it out. That is, so 366 days, and so these 366 days you can able to call it as 52 weeks and 2 odd days, like what you can able to mention it up. This is how the thing you can able to call here in this place. Okay, so 52 weeks and 2 odd days you can able to mention it up. So very clear about it. For normal year you will have only 1 odd days. For leap year you will have 2 odd days. Okay, so that is the thing we just want to manipulate here. So once you've done this one, okay, so let's take the first 100 years of the calendar. Okay, that's a point of the questions here. Okay, so if you're taking that 0 to 100, so we have, say, the point here that is 0 to 100, we can able to take it up. This 0 to 100 we can able to manipulate. First you need to want to find out how many leap years are there inside that 0 to 100. So if you take it up 100 by 4, it will say that 25. If you say that directly 25 and 75 is the normal year and the leap year, means this is completely wrong. Okay, sir, why? Because the 100th year will never be the, so leap year you can't able to decide here in the place. Okay, and so then what about this one? So that 100th year we can able to not divisible by the 400. That's the reason. But you see this one, guys, that is leap year we can able to take it as this is 24, and the normal year you can able to take it as 76. Like what you can able to deal this one. If you're dealing this one, guys, it will give you that 48 odd days. This will give you that 76 odd days here in the place. So once you're dealing this one, this is the kind of the value you will get in the final moment. Okay, so once you got it, this one, guys, we can able to take it as 48 plus 76. We can able to call it as 124. We will get it up 124 by 7. We can able to call it as 5 odd days. So that is, if you're dividing this by 7, guys, so 7 times of 1. Okay, and remaining you will have 5. So 7 times of 7 we can able to call it as what? 49. 49 plus 5 we can able to call it as the 5 odd days will be the remaining here. So this is how the value we can able to generate here in the place. So got it, guys? So 5 odd days is the value we can able to got it here. Okay. So this is how the thing we can able to trap it up here in this one. And next, so you just want to memorize this one, guys. This is very important, this one. So 100 years we can able to call it as 5 odd days. 200 years you can able to call it as 10 odd days. And 300 years you can able to call it as 15 odd days. And 400 years you can able to call it as 20 odd days plus 29th February. You see this one? Because as it is coming in the 400 years, right? So 400 years is need to be the leap year probably. Okay. If you see this one, 5 odd days we know. So in 10 odd days, why are you keeping the 3? Because so 10 by again 7 you keep it up here, it will give you the remainder called 3 only, right? And for 15 you take it up this one, 15 by 7. If I taking this one 15 times of 2, I can call it as 2 times of 14 is equal to what? So 14. So 2 times of 7 is equal to 14. So plus 1 you have the remainder here. That's what the thing we can able to call this one. Next 400 years we can able to take it up. That is 20 odd days plus 29th February. So we can able to take it up this one. So it will give you the value called what? 0 only. So this is how the thing you need to calculate up. So then 1600 is a divisible of 400, right? We can simply say it is called 0. 1700 means it will have 5 odd days. 1800 means you can call it as 3 with respect to the 16, 16, 16. 2000 means it is also divisible of 400. You can call it as a 0, 0. Okay. So going to this one. So types of solving here, we can able to call it as conventional, and the shortcut we can able to make it up here. So the conventional is always difficult to solve with this one, guys. So, but we can go with the shortcuts here. So, for example, I having the value called 11 July 2018. So this is like a conventional way, but we can able to solve in the different way, guys. Okay. So how I can able to solve it? So 11 July 2018 I having. First of all, you need to divide the thing which is running period and which is the past periods. So you see this one, guys. 2018 is running. 2017 is over. So we can take it up 2017 in one side and 1 January 2018 to so 11 July 2018 we can able to call it up. Okay, so this is the thing you just want to take it up here in this one. So 2017, if you take it up, guys, 2017 is one of the very important parameter you can able to consider up here. Okay, so how I can able to divide this one? So 2017 coming to this one, guys. So that is, so 2017 I'm taking here. That is 2017. I'm breaking down like 2000 plus 17 like what I'm taking here. Okay. So if I take this one, guys. So in this one, how many leap year will be there? So 2000, there is a 1 leap year is there. Okay. So if you take it up this one, guys, 17 years is there. Okay. The 17 years, if you take it up, this one, if you are, is there any possibility to divide this leap year? How many leap year is coming here the place? So 17 times of 4. Okay. If I taking it up 17 over 4, if I keep it up, I'll get how many leap year will become. So 4 times of leap year will come here in this place. Okay. And remaining is called 13 years. Okay. So 13 years I will have. So then 4 leap year and 13 normal year will have. So for the leap year, you need to multiply by 2. And for the normal year, you need to multiply by what? 1. So that is 34 times of 2 is equal to 8. 13 times of 2 is equal to what? 26. So 26 by 2. Okay, 26 by 2, we can able to, 26 plus 8, we can able to call it as 34. Okay, so 34 by 2, sorry, 34 by 7, you need to call it up. So 7 times of 4 is equal to what? 7 times of 4 is equal to 28. So 28, it will give you the value called what? 28 plus, so the thing we can able to call it as, we will have the remainder called 6. Then you're having the 6 odd days here. Okay, so coming to this one, guys. So that is 1 Jan 2018. So 2018, that is, you can call it as that the value you will have here, that we can able to say it as 31. February we will have 28, and March we will have 31. So April you will have 30, May 31, and June 31, July 11. Okay, if you're summing it up, it will give you one value. Okay, so those value, if you're taking it up, guys, that will give you closely to the thing with respect to the parameters here. Okay, so that is the only concern you need to keep it up in your side. So if you're keeping that one, that's a very important the place. Okay, so 31 plus 28 is equal to what? 31 plus 28. So 31 plus 28, we can able to call it as 59. 59 plus 31, we can able to call it as 90. 90 plus 30, we can call it as this 120. So 120 plus 31, 151. So 151 plus 51, 130, 181. 181, 194. So 194 we are having here. 194 divided by 7. You see this? 1 times of 7, 7 2 times of 14. So 14 after, if you 14 after gone means we will have the value called 74 will be left. And again, you will have the thing, again 110.5 it will come, so it will keep on going here. So that we will have the remainder something called 4. That if you take it up 6 plus 4, that is 10, we will get it up here. So 6 plus 4, 10. So even you taking it up, that 1 plus 1 to 6, we can able to call it a Saturday. So then we will get that 10 as the value called Wednesday. If you check in the calendar, guys, so the answer you will get here is definitely going to be the Wednesday, is the answer you will get here in this place. Okay, so going to the next question here. There is, so how many number of odd days in a 2010? Okay, that is the question they are asking here. Okay, so 2010 we can able to divide by, so 2000 plus 10 we can able to take it up. So 2000 is completely 0. If you're taking the 10, so divide by 4, I'm breaking it up. So then I'll get the 2 leap year and remaining 8 normal years. Okay, in the 2 leap year, if you check it out here, there is 2 times of 4, we will get it up, right? So 2 times of 2, that is, for the leap year you need to multiply by 2, and for the normal year you need to multiply by 1. So 8 plus 4, that we can able to call it as 12. So 12 by 7, if you keep it up here, what is the value you will get here? That is the, so this is how the value we will make it up here in this place. Okay, so whatever the remainder we getting here, that is the answer of this one we can able to say here in the place. Okay, and going to the next question, guys. So how many leap years in the normal years in the 300th century, that is 3rd century they are asking here? How many leap years and the normal years will be in there in the 3rd century? It is obviously you will have that what? So 24 leap years and the 76 normal years. So we learn in the first step, right? The same steps is going to come for the all the century as well as here. So going to the next question, which year will have the same calendar as that of the 2000, year 2000 we can able to call it up. So the thing you see this one, so the option C is one of the very important parameter. If you check it up, so everyone will check it out, that is same calendar will come in the next same year. They will go for the option A, but that is not the correct answer. If you check it out, guys, 2007. So today I'm calling it as 1/1/2007 as one day. Okay, and next 1/1/2008 I can able to call it as what? That will give you the thing called what, guys? That is Tuesday, I can call it up. Next 1/1/2009 it will call it as what, guys? That is how what it will come. So it will come as Thursday, it will come. So and then 1/1/2010 it will give you the value called Friday. Okay, and 1/1/2011, so it will give you the value called Saturday, and 1/1/2012 it will give you the value called Sunday. Like if you keep it on going, guys, so it will give you the answer. So that is exactly come as Monday is option C, that is 2008. Because after 2007, 2008 is the only value it is going to start on the Monday. So both of them is normal year. You need to think little bit logic, you can able to get the answer very, very easily in this particular topic. So going to the next question, if today is Tuesday, what day of the week will be after the 62 days? That is my question. How I can able to solve this one? So if today is a Tuesday, then what day of the week will it be after 62 days is my point. So let me check it out. So for a week, if the today is Tuesday, after the 7th day, it is going to be the Tuesday only, right? So that is so after, so if I make it up 7 times of 9, it will give you that 63. After 63 day also, it will give you that same Tuesday only. So 62 means 63 minus 61. That is Tuesday minus 1 previous day. We can call it as Monday only, right? So the answer is we can go for the Monday. So this is how the answer we can derive here in this place. Got it, guys? Okay. So we'll go for the next question. They are saying that what is the maximum number of Saturdays in the month of February? So either it is 3, 4, 5, 6. So obviously it's a direct answer called 5. So if the month is exactly starting in the Saturday, you will get Saturday as 5. You can able to count it up. Because if the month, the maximum month, it is going to come in the day of 29. If it is 28, your logic is correct, you will have 4. But if it is coming for 29, it will generate 5. Okay. Going to the question number 6 here. So on the February 1995, it was Wednesday. What day of the week? It on the 1994. What is the question? What we can able to say this one? It is exactly asking the previous day. So it is, what is the answer? We know that answer, that is definitely going to be there. So Tuesday here, we can able to mark it up. So this is how the thing we can call it as care. And going to the next one. So what cannot be the last day of the century among the options? So how I can able to say this one? So they are asking. So for 100 years means 5 odd days. 5 odd days means you can call it as the, so Friday. That is 5 odd days. And 200 years, you can take it up here. We can call it as a 3 odd days. That Wednesday we can able to say it up. And next one, we can able to call it as the 200 year done. And 300 years, we can able to go for the 1 odd day. We can able to say it up. That is called Monday. And next one, that is 400 years, we can able to take it up. That is called 0 odd days. We can give you the value called Sunday. So this is how the value you want to derive here in the place, so that you will get the answer. You see this one, 100 years is 5 odd day. Friday it is okay. So 200 years it will end in the third Wednesday. So 300 years it will end in the Monday. 400 years it will end in the Sunday. So then you need to understand it will never going to be end in the value called Tuesday. So probably the answer is Tuesday is the exact answer we can able to say here in the place. Got it, guys? So this is how the answer you will manipulate here in this one. And going to the next question, in a particular year, month of January had exactly 4 Tuesday and 4 Sundays. Oh my God. So on which day of the week January 1 will occur? 4 Thursday and 4 Sundays it is coming here. So then what is the exact value? So if the month start any one of the days, it will not able to generate the 4 Thursday and Sundays. So how I kind of be to think it up? So then if the month start only in Monday, then it will complete the complete week. Either it will be started any of the day other than the Monday, it will not going to complete all the 4 Sundays, and the 4 Thursday will not at all come, because 4 times of 7 is equal to 28. It is coming there. It need to complete the complete cycle there. So for the reason we can't able to take the value there. So obviously my answer is Monday is the only value. Okay. Next one. So by multiplying my birth date by 31 by 12, I got the value of 494. What could be the birth date and my birth month? That is my question. How I can able to see this one? So my birth date. Okay, 494 they are saying here. So option verification, because we had able to do the option verification only. 22. Okay, so 22 times of 31, so plus 7, July 7, right? 7 times of 12. If you keep it up, that will give you that 766. Next, 10 times of 31, so plus, so June is 6 times of 12. If you keep it up, that will give you the answer called 382. And next, 12 times of 31 plus, that is 4 times of 12. If you keep it up, that will give you the answer called 420. Next, 14 times of 31, so plus 5 times of 12. We can call it as the 494. Okay. So like the thing we can able to carry it up here, because this is how the value it will come here. So that is option D. We will go for option D is the very correct answer, because it's the only value. It will give you that 494 as a final answer here. So going to the next one, that is Pinky was born on 29th February 2016, which happened to be the Monday. But she lives her birthday till 2099. How many birthday she will celebrate on the Monday other than what it is given? How many birthdays she will celebrate on the Monday? On the Monday is the question. Okay, so 29th February 2016, we can able to take it up. She was born on that. So Pinky was celebrated on the birthday. For every 28 years, the leap year will repeat it up. Sir, how you're saying the 28 years? So if you take it up, why not 4 years? So because you need the same way. Monday. If you see this one, today is Monday means next Monday will happen after the 7 days. Same like if you come here celebrating the birthday, if you need the Monday, so leap year will come 4 years one. And then if you need the same day, you need to multiply by 7. 7 times of cycle. Then after the 28 years, you need to take it up. 26, 2016 plus 28 means what is the value? You will get it up 2044. So 2044 and then again 28 means it will go for 2072. So 2072 plus 28 means it will go for 2100, but she is died in the 2099 probably. So then you will have only 2 options, that is option B is the very correct answer here. So guys, hope you have clearly understood about the topic called calendar. This is how the value you just want to find out here. So based on the methodology, please practice it up. please wrap it up, because this is a very, very easiest topic. You can able to pull it up on your side. So you can able to improve this one. And so by finding the monthly, having the concept of odd days, you can easily solve in a very easy manner. Hope you guys clear. If you're having any doubts, you can able to reach to me in the comment box. If you have any personal queries, reach to us in the description box. We have added our personal mail ID. You can reach to us in any kind of the queries probably. Okay guys, have a nice day. Goodbye.
Hey, I'm super excited to inform you that in last 2 months, we've been able to conduct around 50 drives and around 100 plus students have been selected for various MNCs. The packages are ranging from 3.5 to 10 lakhs. Stay tuned for more information by subscribing us on our YouTube channel, by liking our social media platforms like Facebook, Insta and LinkedIn. Thank you.